it's off. Unloading means some customers they have a unloading rack to collect into the main machine. But so the unloading rack is with pneumatic folder. Yeah. So it's controlled by the main machine also. So when you make this on, when you make the unloading switch on, means the unloading rack is connecting to the main machine. It's controlled by the PLC now. So you should send some data here. Let's see, unloading duration. Okay. Means when to come into the loading rack, how long it will last to do before folding up. Now the braking distance. Okay, it's okay. How to say? Brake distance means when the tube feeding, they should when the tube close to the inductor length. For example, the preset length is 1 meter. So when the length comes to 900 millimeter, so the last 10 millimeter, the speed will be slowed down because the braking distance. Okay. Now back to the main menu. So now the menu, all the menu we have explained to you. And here we see some button here. Start, pause, reset. Every day after before we starting work, we should reset the machine. You see the signal there? Yes. And function 1.2, just now we have already shown you. Emergency stop. Just for example, you have some problem for some the tube jammed or tube problem, breaking or something. You just use the emergency stop with this screen. And when, after you solve all the problem, you start it again. That's it. And here, this one, the machine not completely ready. Here, this one is for auto and manual mode exchange. So now we come to automatic. Later we will put a label here. This one not completely ready. Okay. So now let's start again. Okay. Now we have two tubes, one copper and one aluminum tubes. Here we see we adjust the setting ruler. You see, usually this is dual line, means two tube machine. If the single tube machine, the adjusting is from adjusting of this position is from two sides. Separate. Now you see, we put them in one side together for convenient operation. We get some sample tubes for our customer for machine testing before shipment. First, at beginning, we should do manual feeding. Yes, loosen the clamp, or the clamp looser. then we can manual feeding. Okay, the beginning tube is not in high quality, so we cut it for easy feeding. Huh? Okay. So there's some questions, huh? Okay. This one is 直径多少？ Okay, this is for 6 millimeter. Okay, so just now let's focus here. Okay, focus on the cutting unit here. From the structure here, we can see this cylinder is meant to pull off. This two for clamp, this one for pull off. Yes. And you know, this one, as we said just now, there are three parts of the cutting head. This is the cutting blade. These two ruler like a supporting ruler during cutting. So it's you can see here with this cylinder moving, there's a cam system to push here. You see? So the tube and the blade will touch the tubes. See here, the moving of the three parts. Yeah, it's like a cam system, and during touch, it rotate also. So that's what we do cutting. So some customers are said how to cut, how to do clean cutting, like this. Yes. Yeah, as I have explained to you before, now we just do machine testing. So when machine ready, there will be a cover here, like self protection. Also with the small windows here, we can check what happened inside. Okay, so continue. Seems the air pressure not enough now. we can check the tube feeding from beginning here. See, from here, this two-wheeler guiding. See, yeah, Chevrolet here, and then comes here. Okay, let's check the cutting sample here. So, for example, we can check the cutting tolerance. Also, we check the cutting section quality. Yes. Okay, so now let's check let's show you the electric system here. This machine is used in China for China domestic customers. So here is this one is air brake for power, main power switch. And this one is the PLC from Mitsubishi. There's all the contactors here, the brake system, and this one is servo. We use electric. This one is special customized for us. We have already cooperated with this company for more than 15 years. So that's why lots of customers say, can you use servo motor from other brands? We say no, electric is the best. Already, because we worked with them for more than 15 years. We know which one is the best, which one is more stable. Yeah. Okay, later we check the inside of the cabinet. Okay, thank you. See the servo motor here. The servo motor connecting to the bore screw. I just like we mentioned, to get the inductor feeding length, feeding position with the belt here. And here when the inlet come inside, we come to the valve gear, and this one with the cage, we can check the air pressure. And from this one, we come to there's a manifolder. It's like a diffuser to control each wave separately. And here, we centralize together for easy control. And this model, you see that two model here. This model is used for the cutting motor. Okay. Okay, I think it's now we introduce the machine to you from the decoiler for feeding to finished product. Let's see if there are any questions we can answer to our customer.
Different lengths, at the same time.
Yes, yeah. Okay, I know what they care about. You know, this one with one single motor with the bore screw here only one. So means these two lines should cut in the same length. The length should be same. If you have requirement for different lengths, means should be two separate driving system. You know. So maybe let me see. Now, okay, here we have this same finished machine here. See this one. There are two driving systems. So this one can use for